Everyone is talking about AI. Few people actually understand it. Some people are learning tools, some are copying prompts, some are scared of being replaced. But very few are learning how AI actually works. And that's exactly why this series exists. Hello everyone, welcome to our AI series, where we will learn what's really happening under the hood of artificial intelligence. This is not a hype series, this is not a use this tool and get rich series. This is a structured, step-by-step journey into artificial intelligence. If you follow this entire series, you won't just use AI. You will understand it, you will build with it, you will deploy it. Let me tell you how this journey is structured. First, we'll start with AI foundations. You will understand what artificial intelligence actually is, the difference between AI, ML and DL, what machine learning really means, what neural networks are, and how modern systems actually work. No confusion, no buzzwords, just clarity. After that, we enter machine learning. You will build real models, you will train them, you will evaluate them, you will understand what is actually happening under the hood. Not just import library and run. Then comes deep learning. We will understand neural networks properly. Backpropagation explained intuitively. CNNs, RNNs, transformers. You will finally understand how modern AI systems are built. After that, we'll explore large language models and generative AI. How systems like ChatGPT actually work. What embeddings are, what prompt engineering really means, what RAG is, and how to build AI applications using these technologies. Finally, we move into AI systems and deployment. See, building a model is one thing, deploying it and turning it to a real product is another. You will learn APIs, model deployment, production mindset, and how AI systems run in the real world. Now let me be clear about something. This series is designed for beginners, developers, students, working professionals. Even if you feel weak in math, that's okay. We will build intuition first, then understanding, then implementation. This is not a shortcut series. This is a mastery series. If you are serious about learning AI properly, not just using it, this is for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.